In this video, I'm going to share with you a company that is currently hiring 1,800 people to work from home jobs. You want to get on this work from home opportunity ASAP. Now, I do know this opportunity is not going to be for everybody. People always ask me all the time, Chris, what do you do to make money from home? And I do what's called affiliate marketing, where I market other people's products and I make money from that. It has created a great lifestyle for me, and I only work about an hour to 2 hours a day. I will leave that link down below in the comment section. And if you guys do like great videos on side hustles, remote work, and also how to make money online, hey, do me a favor and like this video, and hey, feel free to sub to the channel. But if not, worst case, you guys watching this is enough support. Now, the company you're going to be working with is United Healthcare Group. Now, I will leave the link down below to the website. So if you're anyone who has aspirations to working in the healthcare field, this is definitely the right opportunity for you. Like I said, the good thing about this job, you're working from home, so you don't have to do any commuting. Now, some of their job opens require just a little minimum experience, but some offer more of advanced experience, okay? Now, some of the income range from $20,000 per year to over $150,000 per year. Now, with some of these positions, you may need to be vaccinated, but you can learn more of that when you go look on their website. And some of these positions give sign-on bonuses, so this is definitely a pretty good opportunity to take a look at. All right, so to get access to these jobs, you need to go over here to where it says careers at the top. Now, once you're on the career page, you can see they have several career opportunities, from clinical to consulting to sales and marketing, technology, customer service, and claims. They have a lot of different areas. Now, I would suggest using the search job tab right here so you can get more specific. So when we come to this page, you can come right over here to the left where it says keywords. So I put in sign-in bonus. So it's over 4,000 live results where you could get sign-on bonuses. Some are doing 10,000, some are doing 2,500, 4,000. Man, these are some pretty amazing sign-on bonuses. Also, guys, if you are enjoying this video or you feel it's helping you out, hey, do me a favor and like this video. And like I said, feel free to sub to the channel. And to make sure you get remote jobs, just click this little checkbox right here. Now, if you just want to search by job category, you could just click on that tab right here where I'm showing you. Also, you could put in location, which just is remote, so you probably really wouldn't need this because this is a work from home job. All right, so for example, let's take a look at this RN care coordinator, which you get a 500 sign-on bonus for this remote job. Now, they have a couple of different apply tabs that you could just click on to apply. Also, for each position, they also show your responsibilities that you will be responsible for when you're applying for these positions. Now, with this particular job, it has required qualifications and preferred qualifications. Some of you guys will meet that criteria. Now, some of the positions, like I said, some of them you just need like a high school diploma or a GED, but it just really depends on the job. So it's like 1,800 jobs on here. So guys, just go through it and see which one best fits your situation. And down below, I will leave the link to this website so you guys could go on there and apply. And hey, down below, I definitely would love to get you guys feedback on that. Would you guys like to see more videos like this? And like I said, if you guys are interested in learning what I do with affiliate marketing and the great lifestyle that it provides, if you're willing to do just a little work, I will put that link down in the comment section. All right, guys, so until next time, this is your friend Chris. Until the next video, you guys have a blessed day.